Hello, welcome to VTV Learning. I'm Vivek Tamlarasan. In this video, I'm going to show the different ways of refreshing Power BI dashboard. Let's begin. I have two dashboards here. One is connected from my internal folder and another one is from SharePoint. First, let me refresh the internal folder. We have two options to refresh the dashboard. One is, see, when hovering your mouse towards the dataset, you have the refresh now button. So just click on that refresh now button. It gets refreshed. In my case, it won't refresh. You can see there is a exclamation symbol. When I click on that, I have a detailed error. Schedule refresh is disabled because at least one data source is missing credential. Okay, let me get into the detail. Just click on this schedule refresh. You'll be able to see. So it actually shows the credential was missing, but that's not the case. You can see the data source credential is hidden because data source which I have connected is from the internal folder. So I won't be able to refresh it directly. So instead, I must connect the data from SharePoint. In order to refresh this dashboard, you must open the dashboard, I mean Power BI desktop PBIX file and refresh there. Then you need to publish it once again. That's the only method whenever the backend data was connected using internal folder. When it comes to SharePoint, you can directly refresh it. Just click on refresh. You see there is a refresh is happening. Once it is done, you will see the exact time along with the seconds. So if you click on schedule refresh, you'll be able to see the refresh schedule here. List of refresh, how many times that you have refreshed, like that. Close it here. And towards down, you have refresh. Okay? You just expand it. You'll be able to schedule the refresh. First, you need to select the respective location. I mean, the time. So let me select 5:30, and you need to select turn it on, and you need to select the refresh frequency whether you need daily or weekly. So in my case, I just select daily. And in order to select the time, if you have Power BI Pro license, you will be able to schedule the refresh for 8 times per day. In case if you have Power BI Premium license, you will be able to schedule it around 48 times per day. Those are the two differences when it comes to Pro and Premium license schedule refresh. So here I have a Power BI Pro license. I would be able to schedule for 8 times. Let me schedule it. I have scheduled it for eight times. After that, I don't have option to schedule it. In case if you have premium license, you will be able to have those option to schedule additional and just send refresh failure. In case if the schedule refresh got failure, like the one which we saw earlier, if the dashboard refresh got failed, you would that get notified to the respective people. Like one is semantic model owner. So the semantic model owner is nothing but the one who have access or published the dashboard. So in this case, I am the semantic model owner. You can see the semantic model has been configured. And another another option is like these contexts. You will be able to add additional name in case if you want someone to be notified whenever these schedule refresh got failed. Just click apply. So in this case, if any failure occurs, it gets notified to me and the contacts that I have updated here. After scheduling refresh, see the next refresh schedule has been updated along with the date and time. Right, that's all for this video, and I'll catch up in next video. Thank you all.